In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Cloudflare domain to Netlify step by step so you can connect your custom domain safely and correctly. First, make sure you're logged into your Netlify account. Once you're in your Netlify dashboard, locate the site you want to connect your Cloudflare domain to and select it. This takes you to that site's overview page where you can manage its settings and deployments. From here, look for the option called Site Configuration. Inside that section, you'll find Domain Management. This is where Netlify keeps everything related to custom domains and DNS. Go ahead and open Domain Management. On this page, you'll see any domains currently connected to your site and some options for adding new ones. Next, you want to add your custom domain. Look for the button or link labeled Add a Custom Domain and click it. A field will appear where you can type in the domain you own in Cloudflare, such as example.com. Enter your domain carefully, double checking for typos, since this is what visitors will use to reach your site. Once you've entered your domain, confirm or save it so Netlify knows which domain to expect traffic from. Netlify will typically show you your site's Netlify subdomain, something like your sitename.netlify.app. Keep that handy because you'll need it in Cloudflare. Now open a new browser tab and log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Choose the domain that you just added to Netlify from your list of Cloudflare sites. When that domain's overview page loads, navigate to the DNS section, then to records. This is where you manage how your domain points to different services. You're going to add a root DNS record, often referred to as the @ record, which represents your main domain without any subdomains. In the DNS records area, click the button labeled Add Record. A new line will appear, allowing you to configure the type and details of the record. For the type, select SNAME. Cloudflare supports something called SNAME flattening, which allows you to use a SNAME at the root of your domain while still getting good performance and compatibility. This is ideal for pointing your domain to Netlify. In the name field, enter the @ symbol or simply your root domain if that's how your Cloudflare interface displays it. This tells Cloudflare that this record applies to the main domain like example.com, not to a subdomain such as www.example.com. In the target field, paste or type your Netlify site address, which should look something like your sitename.netlify.app. This is what connects your Cloudflare domain to your actual Netlify hosted site. Next, set the proxy status. For now, choose DNS only, which is shown as the gray cloud in Cloudflare. This is important because it allows Netlify to correctly detect your domain and issue an SSL certificate for HTTPS without interference from Cloudflare's proxy layer. If you skip this step, you may run into SSL or connection issues. After you've saved the record and given it a few minutes to propagate, you can return to Netlify and verify that it recognizes the domain and has issued a valid SSL certificate. Once your site is live and the certificate is active, you can go back to Cloudflare and change the proxy status to proxied, shown as the orange cloud. That will enable Cloudflare's performance and security features while still serving your site from Netlify. And that's the full process of connecting a Cloudflare managed domain to your Netlify site using a name record and getting everything ready for a secure production ready setup.